SAP is one of the world's largest software companies. Founded in 1972, it now generates more than 27 billion euros in revenue and supports over 240 million cloud subscribers. Its core strength? Enterprise resource planning. Software that helps companies run everything from finance and HR to inventory, sales, and product development. In 2015, SAP introduced its newest ERP system, SAP S/4HANA. Yet many organizations still rely on its predecessor, SAP ECC. And with maintenance for SAP ECC ending in 2027, companies everywhere are preparing for the move. So what are the biggest differences? And what should you know before you migrate? ECC stands for ERP Central Component. It's modular and extremely customizable, with components for finance, HR, logistics, and more. It also integrates well with third-party and custom applications. But SAP ECC's flexibility comes with complexity. Components are tightly interconnected, so a change in one area can affect others. That means upgrades, add-ons, and migrations must be planned carefully to avoid business disruptions. SAP S/4HANA is SAP's next-generation ERP, available on-premise and in the cloud. It takes advantage of AI, machine learning, automation, and real-time processing to create a faster, more intelligent system. Features include personalized insights, integrated end-to-end processes, built-in security, and real-time data analysis. The catch? SAP S/4HANA only runs on the SAP HANA database. So if your SAP ECC system uses a database like Oracle, you'll need to convert and remove any incompatible add-ons during migration. SAP S/4HANA simplifies and streamlines many SAP ECC features. Here are the key changes. SAP ECC uses costing-based COPA by default, while SAP S/4HANA uses account-based COPA, though both can run together. SAP ECC separates finance and controlling. In SAP S/4HANA, both live together in one real-time table. MATDOC A, the universal journal. No more reconciliation at period end. SAP ECC supports 18-character material numbers. SAP S/4HANA can extend this to 40 characters, but custom code must be updated accordingly. SAP ECC keeps customers and vendors separate. SAP S/4HANA unifies them into business partners, reducing redundancy and simplifying master data. SAP ECC requires batch jobs during off hours. SAP S/4HANA runs MRP instantly, though only at the plant and MRP area level. Parts of SAP APO move into SAP IBP for demand and supply planning, and the digital core for production planning and ATP. These cannot be migrated automatically. Optional in SAP ECC, Material Ledger is now required. In SAP S/4HANA, it lives inside MATDOC A and no longer relies on dozens of aggregate tables. Along with process simplification, SAP S/4HANA introduces several major innovations. Combines data from financial accounting, controlling, asset accounting, material ledger, and more into a single table, shrinking the database footprint and speeding up reporting. MATDOC replaces more than 26 SAP ECC tables, storing all material document data in one place and improving inventory performance. With column-based storage, in-memory computing, and parallel processing, SAP HANA creates a much faster, more efficient system with no need for aggregate or index tables. AATP automates checks for availability, allocations, back orders, and alternative plants. Global Trade Services replaces Foreign Trade, FSCM Credit Management replaces FIARCR, Extended Warehouse Management replaces WM, and Revenue Accounting and Reporting replaces SD Revenue Recognition with IFRS 15 compliant functionality. The SAP Fiori UI provides a major usability upgrade, giving users consistent, role-based, and intuitive apps across desktop and mobile. Companies report major gains from migrating to SAP S/4HANA, including higher efficiency, improved user satisfaction, lower operational costs, and more. Migrating from SAP ECC to SAP S/4HANA can feel overwhelming, but the business case is strong. With automation, AI, streamlined data models, and real-time insights, SAP S/4HANA delivers a more efficient system that reduces redundancy and cuts costs. And with the 2027 SAP ECC maintenance deadline, the clock is ticking. To learn more about SAP, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you never miss a new video.